Good morning students. Today I am here with the new chapter, chapter number 2, exploring our neighborhood. On our way back home, the classes got over and the school bell rang. Student talked with excitement about the wonderful books that their teacher showed them in the library. School buses and e-rickshaws were waiting at the gate. Navya saw her grandfather standing outside the school gate. She ran up to him. Dadaji, let us take the market route today. They walked to the bus stop where some people were already waiting for the bus. A bus stop. The doors opened and everyone boarded the bus one by one. Navya found a seat by the window and watched the people outside. As the bus passed, a red post box on the corner, Navya pointed to it and said, "Look, a post box, Dadaji." Dadaji said, "Yes, Navya. You could write a letter and post it here." He continued, "When I was young, I used to write letters to my brother who was studying in a different city. I used to drop letters into the post box. Then the postman would take them to the post office. The post office would sort letters according to reasons and send them to their destinations. Post office offers a variety of other services too. Activity 1. Write a letter to a friend and post it. Teacher can take students on a field trip to a post office to explore various activities that takes place there. Right. Have you or your family member ever sent or received a letter or a parcel? How does the post office help people stay connected with each other? Do you know? Long ago, people communicated using drum beats and carvings on rock. Later people started sending letters carried by messengers or pigeons. Much later, the postal services came into being. It was used to send letters, parcels An important document to others. With time, new inventions like the telephone, radio, and television made it easier to communicate and share information. Today, we have mobile phones and computers that use internet. The internet helps us connect with anyone and anywhere in seconds. Did you not have mobile phones? Navya asked. Dadaji laughed. No, Navya. Earlier, we used to write letters. Sometimes, it would take weeks to get a reply. That is a really long time. Navya exclaimed. Dadaji replied. Yes. With mobile phones and email communication is much faster. However, sometimes I miss the joy of writing and receiving a handwritten letter. Activity 2. Interview with elders. Discuss with the elders in your neighborhood and find out how they communicated with each other when they were of your age. Compare their answers to how you and your friends communicate today and fill in the table below. Communication in earlier times. Communication in present time. Type of communication. Letter. Telegram. Internet. Social media. Text message. Speed of communication. Frequency of communication. Language of communication. Challenges faced. Over time, the ways in which people communicate have evolved. While letters were common in the past. Today's messages and video calls make communication much faster. Technology has made it easier for us to stay connected with everyone. Discuss. Letter took a long time to reach other person. How do you think it affected communication between people in the past? How it is different from the way people communicate now? Today, quick messages make sharing news easier. But sometimes wrong information spreads very quickly too. How can we ensure the news we share is true? The bus took a turn and Navya saw a metro train.
And Navya saw a metro train
passing by.
passing by.
Look at that.
Look at that.
The train is moving so fast.
The train is moving so fast.
She exclaimed.
She exclaimed.
Navya,
Navya,
the metro train travels very fast.
the metro train traveled very fast.
Also,
Also,
there are high roads
there are high roads
known as flyovers.
known as flyovers.
They help the vehicles
They help the vehicles
move above the busy road
move above the busy roads
and crossings.
and crossings.
So,
So,
they save the time of travelers.
they save the time of travelers.
Some flyovers are built for metros
Some flyovers are built for metros
and others
and others
are for buses and cars.
are for buses and cars.
Explained Dadaji.
Explain Dadaji.
Dadaji continued,
Dadaji continued.
these modern facilities
These modern facilities
and services
and services
such as flyovers
such as flyovers
and metros
and metros
have made life easier for us.
have made life easier for us.
However,
However,
many animals,
many animals,
birds
birds,
and trees
and trees
that used to be here
that used to be here
are no longer around
are no longer around
because of all these changes.
because of all of these changes.
Navya replied,
Navya replied,
I wonder
I wonder
if we can have
if we can have
such developments
such development
even while keeping
even while keeping
our environment safe and secure.
our environment safe and secure.
Dadaji said,
Dadaji said,
yes,
yes,
that can happen
that can happen
by creating a balance.
by creating a balance.
If we plant trees,
If we plant trees,
we can keep our environment secure.
we can keep our environment secure.
Right.
Right.
Which mode of transportation
Which mode of transportation
do you use the most?
do you use the most?
Can you identify
Can you identify
the structures in the pictures
the structures in the picture
and explain
and explain
how they are made?
how they are made?
Travel faster
Travel faster
and connectivity better.
and connectivity better.
Find out
Find out
how did your parents
how did your parents
and grandparents
and grandparents
go to school
go to school
or other places
or other places
when they were of your age.
when they were of your age.
It is different
It is different
from how you travel today.
from how you travel today.
Note it down below.
Note it down below.
You,
You,
parents,
parents,
grandparents.
grandparents.
After some time,
After some time,
a few people got down
a few people got down
at a bus stop
at a bus stop,
which was near a hospital.
which was near a hospital.
Navya noticed a banner
Navya noticed a banner
outside the hospital
outside the hospital
that said,
that said,
Eye checkup camp.
eye checkup camp.
Many people were going to that hospital.
Many people were going to that hospital.
What is this?
What is this?
Why are so many people coming here?
Why are so many people coming here?
She asked.
She asked.
Her eyes got wide with wonder.
Her eyes were wide and wondered.
Dadaji replied,
Dadaji replied,
Navya,
Navya,
this is a hospital.
this is a hospital.
People come here
People come here
when they are unwell.
when they are unwell.
I brought your grandmother
I brought your grandmother
here for her eye operation
here from her eyes audition
a few years ago.
a few years ago. good.
The doctor helped her
The doctor helped her
see better,
see better,
and it made a huge difference
and it made a huge difference
to her life.
to her life.
This hospital is such an important part
This hospital is such an important part
of our community.
of our community.
Today,
Today,
it is organizing
it is organizing
an eye checkup camp.
an eye checkup camp.
Right.
Right.
List the people
List the people
who work at a hospital
who work at the hospital
or a health center
or a health center
and write down their role
and write down their role
in the following table.
in the following table.
One example
One example
has been given in the table.
has been given in the table.
People,
People
role in the hospital
role in the hospital
or health center.
or health center.
Doctor
Doctor
treats patients
treat patients
and prescribes medicine.
and prescribe medicines.
Nurse,
Nurse
saving for the future.
save the futures.
The bus stopped
The bus stop
at the bus stop
at the bus stop
near their house.
near their house.
Dadaji and Navya
Dadaji and Navya
stepped out of the bus.
stepped out of the bus.
On the way home,
On the way home,
they walked to a bank
they walked to a bank
that had an ATM.
that had an ATM.
What is this machine, Dadaji?
What is this machine, Dadaji?
Navya asked curiously.
Navya asked curiously.
This is an ATM,
This is an ATM.
short for automated teller machine.
Short for automated teller machine.
Dadaji explained.
Dadaji explained.
It helps us take out money
It helps us take out money
anytime we need it.
anytime we need it.
Navya asked,
Navya asked.
why do we keep our money
But why do we keep our money
in the bank?
in the bank?
Dadaji,
Dadaji,
banks are special place
banks are a special place
where money is kept safe.
where money is kept safe.
They also help us save money
They also help us save money
for our future needs.
for our future needs.
Dadaji replied,
Dadaji replied,
when I was of your age,
when I was of your age,
we did not have ATMs.
we did not have ATMs.
We had to visit the bank
We had to visit the bank
and wait in long queues.
and wait in long queues.
Also,
Also,
we used money orders
you used money order
to send money
to send money
through the post office.
through the post office.
But now,
But now
we can use mobile phones
we can use mobile phones
to send money online
to send money online
within seconds.
within seconds.
Mama, maternal uncle,
Mama, maternal uncle,
sent money to my mother
send money to my mother
to buy gift for us
to buy gifts for us.
this Raksha Bandhan.
This Raksha Bandhan.
Navya said excitedly.
Navya said excitedly.
Yes,
Yes,
technology has made things so much easier.
technology had made things so much easier.
Agreed, Dadaji.
Agreed, Dadaji.
Discuss.
Discuss.
If you had to send money
If you had to send money
to someone,
to someone,
which method would you choose?
which method would you choose?
Using a phone,
Using a phone,
money order,
money order,
or some other mode?
or some other mode?
Why?
Why?
Right.
Right.
If you get pocket money,
If you get pocket money,
do you save it?
do you save it?
If yes,
If yes,
where do you put your savings?
where do you put your savings?
Why do you think
Why do you think
it is important to save money?
it is important to save money?
What are some things
What are some things
you could do to save more money?
you could do to save more money?
Request one of your family member
Request one of your family members
to show their bank passbook.
to show you their bank passbook.
Note the important elements
Note the important elements
given on the first page of the passbook.
given on the first page of the passbook.
Activity 3.
Activity 3.
Visit a bank in your locality
Visit a bank in your locality
or find out from your elders
or find out from your elders
about how it works.
about how it works.
After that,
After that,
answer the following question.
answer the following questions.
Other than saving money,
Other than saving money,
what else do people use
what else do people use
banks for?
banks for?
What is an ATM
What is an ATM
and how does it help people?
and how does it help people?
Take an Indian currency note,
Take an Indian currency notes,
look at it closely
look at it closely
and answer the following question.
and answer the following questions.
What is the value of the note?
What is the value of the note?
How many languages
How many languages
do you see on the note?
do you see on the note?
What pictures or symbols
What pictures or symbols
are there on the note?
are there on the note?
Do you know?
Do you know?
Long ago,
Long ago,
people used barter system
people used barter system
to exchange goods and services.
to exchange.
For example,
For example,
a farmer could exchange wheat for milk
a farmer could exchange wheat for milk
from a shepherd.
from a shepherd.
However,
However,
finding the right trade partner
finding the right trade partner
and the right exchange value
and the right exchange value
was not always easy.
was not always easy.
To simplify exchanges,
To simplify exchanges,
money was invented.
money was invented.
Looking around the neighborhood, as soon as they reached home, Namya ran to her brother and shared her experiences with him. Public places help people
Public places help people
by providing services
by providing services,
related to health, safety,
safety,
cleanliness, or the environment. These may include places like hospitals, banks, post offices, police stations, public libraries,
public library,
bus stations, etc.
etc.
Navya brought a pencil and paper
Navya brought a pencil and paper
and sat down to draw her neighborhood. On the basis of the rising sun, she identified east direction. Based on this, she drew places in other directions around her house. The places towards the east appears on the right side of the paper. Also, the places to the north are shown at the top side of the paper, while the places in the south are indicated at the bottom of the paper. The places in the west are shown on the left side. On a map, the representation of direction is as follows. North is shown upwards, south is shown downwards,
South is shown downwards.
East is on the right
East is shown right.
and west is on the left.
And west is on the left.
Right.
Right.
Look at the picture above
Look at the picture above
and write down the places
and write down the places
located in the north,
located in the north,
east,
east,
west
west,
and south of Navya's home.
and south of Navya's home.
Direction,
Direction,
place,
place,
north,
north,
east,
east,
west,
west,
south.
south.
Second,
Second,
look at the picture
look at the picture
on the next page
on the next page
and imagine your school
and imagine your school
at the center.
at the center.
Name the buildings
Name the buildings
or areas near your school
or areas in your school
and write the direction.
and write the direction.
They are situated in the given spaces. Imagine you are giving direction to a friend
Imagine you are giving direction to a friend
to visit your favorite place
to visit your favorite place
near your school.
near your school.
How would you explain it?
How would you explain it?
Using directions
Using direction,
left,
left,
right,
right,
forward,
forward,
backward,
backward,
etc.
etc.
and landmarks.
and landmark,
Place,
place,
instruction.
instruction,
Activity 4.
activity 4,
Draw a map
draw a map
showing the route
showing the route
from your school to
from your school
public library
to your library.
or any such place near your school. Identify landmarks like park, shops, hospitals, bus stops, etc. on the map. Let us reflect.
Let us reflect.
First,
First,
imagine you have rupees 100
imagine you have rupees 100
to utilize in a month. Your task is to plan how to spend and save wisely.
how to spend it wisely.
Think about your expenses
Think about your expenses
for stationery,
for stationery,
snacks,
snacks,
toys,
toys,
etc.
etc.
Decide how much you will save
Decide how much will you save
in your piggy bank
in your piggy bank
and how much you will use
and how much will you use
for your expenses.
for your expenses.
After making this plan,
After making this plan,
think about how saving money
think about how saving money
could help you in the future.
could help you in the future.
Use the table below
Use the table
to create your budget.
to create your budget.
Category,
Category,
planned amount.
plan amount.
Why did you choose this amount?
Why did you choose this amount?
Saving,
Saving,
expenditure.
expenditure.
Second,
Second,
imagine that your group is in charge
imagine that your group is in charge
of making your neighborhood better.
of making your neighborhood better.
Discuss what new services
Discuss what new services
or facilities you would add
or facilities you would add
or improve.
or improve.
Present how these changes
Present how these changes
would help everyone in the community.
would help everyone in the community.
In a class,
In a class,
take help of the elders
take help of the elders
around you
around you
to list people in your neighborhood
to list people in your neighborhood
who helped the community during COVID-19.
who help the community during COVID-19.
This could include doctors,
This would include doctors,
nurses,
nurses,
garbage collectors,
garbage collectors,
shopkeepers,
shopkeepers,
teachers,
teachers,
and others.
and
Discuss how they made the community safer. And why it is important to thank them. Can you list out the people involved and vehicles used in each of these services in the boxes given below? An example has been given. Police station, police officer, constable, patrolling jeep, hospital, fire station, post office, library.